Again. Stop. Hold up. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show my little body, 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 body. And Shorty got the body.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another install, but this is a blondiana, and we're doing a bob blonde wig today. So today's sponsor is Recool here. I have worked with them before, so they're not new to my channel. And today I'm just showing you what they sent to me, like I always do. So they sent me this headband, they sent me some wig caps, and they sent me their information card. Yeah, I think that was pretty much what they sent to me. But anyways, this wig that they sent to me is a blonde bob wig. It is a closure, so 4x4 blonde bob wig, and this was a 12-inch wig. This is how the wig was looking. This is how it came. But I'm going to go ahead and color the roots and kind of tone the hair from this yellowy 613 hair. So let's just jump right into that. Okay, so I know I wasn't showing you guys what I was doing at first, but the color that I used today for this for the roots is the honey brown adore dye. So I forgot to show you guys, but it is the honey brown adore dye, and what I'm doing is pretty much just putting it on the root. I also went ahead and I did the back as well, because I don't like when the front part has the root color and then at the back it's the full 613, and then if anything and your wig is supposed to blow, it shows the back and the back is full 613. There's no transition from the root color to the 613. So I went ahead and I did the front part and also the entire head back, but I did the front part first. Well, yeah, I did the front part first because I wanted to get the lace processing, the lace part over with, because that's the part that you have to be very, very careful with. So I tried to get that part out the way and then just quickly run through the back. So again, I used the adore dye in honey brown, and that's pretty much what I did with for the roots. The wig the next day, I washed it out and I allowed it to dry before I did the next process, because I wanted to see how everything is coming along. So I didn't rush into the next process the same time as when I dyed the roots. I waited until the next day. No. So for this part, the toning of the hair, I went in and I used my Shimmer Purple Shampoo, and I basically did like a watercolor method because I didn't want to put the purple shampoo directly on the hair because I didn't want the hair to turn purple. So I pretty much just put it inside some warm water, the top temperature warm water, and I just put the wig inside of it exactly the way how I did it. And yeah, that's all I did for the toning of the hair, and it kind of toned the honey brown part a little bit as well. Now after doing that, I just decided, I went ahead and I straightened the hair. So this is just me doing nothing out of the ordinary. I'm literally just spraying my Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray on the hair, straightening the hair so I can go ahead and give it a blunt cut. You want to always cut your hair after it is straightened, because if you don't cut it when it's straightened and you cut it when it's some part is longer than some, you don't see the true length of it because it's not fully straight. It has some sort of curve in it, so then you won't see the true length of it. So that's what I did, and yeah, I went ahead and basically just straightened the hair. So this is my first time actually doing a blunt cut with like a shear. So I didn't really know what I was doing, but I just went with the flow and I tried my best. But yeah, it came out straight, surprisingly, because my hand is very shaky when it comes on to cutting. I don't know, but I think I'm going to continue using shears from now on to cut my bobs. But yeah, that is literally what I use to cut the hair, the shear. You know, all along people was like, a lot of persons were telling me invest in a shear because it will make your cuts a lot more sleek and like to the point. But I never did, and I wish I did a little bit earlier because all those weeks that I spoiled could have been avoided. But yeah, that's what I use to do my blunt cut. The wig. So this is the wig. It came 613. I dyed it, toned it with Purple Shampoo, and then gave it this blunt cut. It's a closure wig, so today's install will be a quick one. I'm just gonna show you guys how the inside of the wig is looking. So this is how inside is looking. It's a 4x4 closure wig. Comes with the 4 combs, and it is adjustable, so the straps in the back, you can adjust it to your size and your head size and all of that. So today's install will be my got to be, because I don't want to keep it on for long, because I will be doing another video soon. So yeah, today's install will be a got to be install. So like always, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the combs, because I've said this 1,000,001 times, I don't like doing my installs with combs. I just feel like no. Okay, so right now I'm going to go in with my got to be, no, not my got to be, what am I talking about, my lace tint. And this is the even tinted lace spray. This is in the color light warm brown, and I used the shade for my skin tone. and what I'm going to be doing is just spraying it inside the wig. Now, even though I'm not doing the full stocking cap method, I still want to go in and blend my cap a little bit. So I'm going with my foundation, and this is my Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in the color 345. And I'm going to use that to put on the lace. And I can already feel this wig, and I know it's snug. Like, it's literally, I don't even, honestly, this might be a glueless install. I'm not even going to lie, because like the wig is not moving. Like, this is it on my head right now, and it's literally like on my head. The final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see me do more bobs, then definitely let me know down in the comment section. But for now, this is the end. I would like to thank Recool here once more for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.